stop. Don't just be a depositor in the bank. Instead, be an investor. Ganito kasi, let's say for example, may savings ka in the bank na 100,000 pesos. Currently ngayon, yung mga banks, nagbibigay lang ng 0.0625% in interest per year. Meaning, every year, meron kang 62.5 pesos sa 100,000 mo. So, 62 pesos in interest in 1 year. Sobrang liit, diba? However, if you're an investor, let's say for example, you invest in BDO, okay? In the Philippine stock market, you invest in the Philippine stock market, you invest in BDO. Currently, BDO is giving around 3.42% in dividends per year. Meaning, yung 100,000 mo, 3.42% of that is actually 3,420 pesos in dividends per year. Tapos, on top of that, if you invest in BDO, for the past 5 years, meron siyang capital growth. Okay? Nag-appreciate yung capital mo, an average of 8% per year in capital growth. Meaning, may nare-receive ka ng dividends at the same time, potential pa mag-grow yung investment mo. So if you want to learn more about investing in the stock market, you can check out the link in the description or in the comment section down below.